everyone, myself Prerna Saxena presenting before you how PG helps diagnostic lab for online payment through various modes. Now what is PG? PG is an integrated payment solution provider that enable your business to accept customer payment. PG has many features like payment gateway, virtual and mobile POS, secure vault, innovative API, recurring billing, and enhanced risk monitoring. PG offers all type of businesses like hospitals, hotels, coffee cafes, bakeries, salon, restaurants, airlines, education centers, and many more. PG. Now I am going to explain how PG is helpful for diagnostic labs. I am presenting a case illustration of a patient who want to come to your laboratory for a full body checkup, or you can say for any specific test. Every pathology lab wanted to reduce business complexity and simplify the payment acceptance process. So they are looking for a solution where they could get rid of the multiple POS machines occupying the billing and checkout counter. There are calculations error also by the cashiers. So here we got a solution called PayG. We offer health checkup packages online. As we know, pathology performs many tests in a single day. So we have a solution for this to make it simplifier. The patient will be provided with the date and time at which the appointment will be conducted. The invoice can be created with the QR code according to the test booked by the patient. Now the patient can view all the details through this QR code and pay the fee of the required test. Now when the patient went to the laboratory, he don't need to stand on the queue for the payment as he had already done through QR code. Now the lab technician can perform the test for the patient. We accept multiple forms of payments like mobile wallet, QR code, debit card, credit card, and even your loyalty points. Now, as we all know, QR code is the foremost technologically advanced sort of contactless payments. PayG provides the feature of QR code to a diagnostic lab which have installed scanners. At the point of sale, you need to enter the payable amount. The patient then opens this QR code scanning app. From there, they can extract the information through this QR code and pay the amount to be paid for the required test. What you need to do, you just need to enter the details and you can log into our page. Now continue to our dashboard page. This is our dashboard home page. You can see the home, dashboard, menu section, report and settings section. Now moving towards the menu section. Under menu section, we have two columns, new and manage. New is for creating a new transaction and the manage is for the previous transaction. PayG has features like recurring payment, generate invoice, token X, pay button, prepaid card, easy collect and collecting order. Under pay button, we have four different types of button. The buy now button, the pay now button, donation button and add to cart button. Now moving towards the easy collect. Now what is easy collect? Easy collect is a payment link solution which helps to gather online payment. It enables you to create payment link and share with the patients or customer to pay the fee for the test. From wherein you are provided with a dashboard. From this dashboard, you can create as many links as you want and share with them to pay through this link. Now I am going to explain how Easy Collect works. You need to enter all the details like type, subtype, location of your lab, the name of your lab, address, district or city name, state name, zip code, contact number, a valid email ID and the website address. After that, you can submit this data. Now you can view your data here. For adding patient data, you need to go to the account setting. This is our account setting for EasyCollect. You need to enter the request label 1 and 2 and the request response 1 and 2. As you can see, I have entered the request label 1 patient name, 2 bill number, and the request response 1 the test name, and the response to date and time. Now you can add this data for EasyCollect. This is the final data for EasyCollect. Now after this, you can add the patient data. This is the patient data. You need to enter the patient name, bill number, the test name, date and time, the pending amount of the test, the pending amount detail, a valid customer email address, and the mobile number. Now you can add this patient data. Now this is the patient data. You can check the status here. It is showing not paid. Now you can check your email ID. You got the mail from the Tesla Diagnostic for the pending amount and the details of the test. Now from this link, you can proceed towards the payment page. This is the patient detail. You can also see the QR code here. You just simply scan this QR code and you can also pay through this QR code. Now proceeding towards the payment. This is our payment page. On the left side corner, you need to fill the entire details. Now you can select any mode of transaction, whether UPI, credit card, debit card, e-wallet, a merchant gift or prepaid card. You need to enter the details of a card. After that, you can proceed towards the transaction. This is the transaction details. You can share these details via SMS, email or WhatsApp, or simply you can take the printout of this. You can check the status of EasyCollect data. Here you can check the status of the patient. Now it has been paid. You also got the mail from the pagee for the transaction confirmation. This is all about EasyCollect. Now moving towards the collecting order. What is collecting order? It helps you quickly and conveniently find and pay from your mobile phone. There are two modes of collecting order in Pagee, standard and advanced. What you need to do, you just need to share the link via SMS or email and share the link with the patient or customer. They need to fill the entire details, which will redirect it to the payment page, and from there they can pay the fee for the test. Now I'm going to show you how standard collecting order works. You need to enter the code question 1, question 2, question 3 for the standard one. After filling all these details, you can submit this data. This is the data for standard collecting order. You can also edit this data later on if you want. Now, you just need to share this link with the patient and customer for the transaction. You can also view the QR code here. By scanning this QR code, you can view the details of the patient and you can also pay through this. Now you can share this link with the patient. You need to enter all the details of the patient like patient name, bill number, test name, amount, email and mobile number. After this, you can proceed towards the payment page. This is our payment page, same as the EasyCollect one. From here, you can pay the amount via UPI, credit card, debit card, e-wallet or your prepaid card. Now the transaction has been approved. You can share it via SMS, email or WhatsApp. Now here you got a mail from the Quick Pay. You can also check the transaction history for the same patient. This is the transaction history for the standard collecting order. This is all about the standard collecting order. Now moving towards the Advanced collecting order. The basic difference between the standard and the advanced collecting order is that the standard is only for a one service, while advanced one is for many services. You can add many services as you want. Now I'm going to show you how you are going to add services. First, you need to enter the code of your lab, the question 1, 2, and 3, the service type, and the service name. Here you can add as many services and accordingly. You just need to enter the service type, service name, the amount. You need to make this active and you can add service. These are all the services I have added: diabetic test, vitamin D, CBC, and thyroid. After adding services, you can submit this data for the advanced collecting order. This is the data for advanced collecting order. You can also edit this later if you want. You can also view the QR code here. Now, if you want to add another service like hemoglobin test, you can again add this by editing one. You need to make this active and add service, and after adding, you need to update this. Now, the same page as like standard one, you just need to share this link with the customer or the patient. When the customer or patient open the link, he got this. The customers or the patient need to enter all the details. After this, can proceed towards the payment page. He can pay through UPI, credit card, debit card, e-wallet, or the prepaid card. Now moving towards the transaction. These are the transaction details for advanced collecting order. You can share it via SMS, email, or WhatsApp. Now you can check the transaction history for the advanced collecting order. This is the transaction details for the patient Piyush for advanced collecting order. This is all about advanced collecting order. You can also generate invoice for the patient. What you need to do, you just need to enter the customer ID, customer name, customer address, email address, a valid email address, a number, invoice description. In invoice description, you can mention that test, like whatever he wants, like diabetic test, CBC, vitamin D, the invoice amount for which you are creating the invoice, request date, due date, and the reminder date also. From here, you can submit this data. Now you can check the status here. It is showing pending. Now you can check your email ID. You got an invoice. You got all the details like invoice number, invoice amount, invoice description, due date, and the reminder date. From this, you can pay the amount. This is the invoice description of the patient Piyush. Now proceeding towards the payment. You can pay through UPI, credit card, debit card, e-wallet, or the prepaid card. Now proceeding towards the transaction. Here the transaction has been approved and you can share it via SMS, email, or WhatsApp. Now you can check the status of the invoice. Here it is showing paid. You also got a mail for the confirmation. This is the mail for invoice confirmation, paid successfully. This is all about the generate invoice. Now you can view our dashboard page for all the transaction. You can check the transaction of today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month, last month, or you can also select the date range accordingly. You can check the transaction summary report or also by the payment method. This is all about the generate invoice. Now this is how PayG helps diagnostic pathology for the payment. Now at the end, I want to say about PayG. With the help of PayG, you can create your QR code on your website, newspaper, pamphlet, or even in your prescription or doctor receipt. This enables you to get a new customer and maintain the policy of first pay and first come. You don't need to stand on a queue for the payment of the test. This is all about the use of PayG for your diagnostic lab. PayG helps you for the growth of your business. Thank you so much.